Hey everybody, welcome back to Div Style. So on this video, I'm going to be creating some Christmas themed socks. And so the first thing popped into my mind is the ugly sweater parties that go on. This is something that me and my family do like every year. We are really big on just creating the ugliest sweaters, you guys. So I went on Google, of course, that's where I get all of my images from, and I got a few ideas. Now, let's see. I like this pattern just solely. I'm not sure if it's coming up in the video, but it looks like an actual sweater. So that I love. And then of course, I mean, it's gotta be something funny. So why not, you know, Santa on the toilet? I mean, why not? So, all right. First, I'm going to get rid of this edges. Now, I want to take that background out. And if anybody's wondering, well, you know what? That took out the whole thing, so I don't want that. Looks like I'm going to have to go with this one. And if anybody is wondering, I am using a publisher. Now, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I like it on this print or not. I'm actually going to shrink this color down. That way we get like a full shot of Santa on the toilet. Now this would be really cool like on some knee-high socks. But because I'm going to be working on just some little no-show socks. 3.5. But anyways, like I was saying, but because I'm just working on some little no-show socks, this just gonna have to do. I mean, and then I'm gonna put the words, well, okay, all caps. Should this be regular font or should it be something? All right, I'm going to finish this and print it out. I'm sure you guys don't want to see me do all of this. I'm going to go ahead and print it out and then I'll be right back. All right, you guys, wanted to come on here and show you what it looks like. Print it out. The color is a little, you know, pale, light, I guess, when you print. When you're doing sublimation, the color is going to be a little off until you actually press it and you want to mirror. Make sure you mirror your image. So I'm going to go ahead, cut this out, and tape it down to the socks. Alright, you guys, thanks so much for watching. And as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. You guys, I had so much fun with this. Doing these socks and coming up with this design. If you have any more themes or ideas you'd like to see me do with socks, just let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye! I'll leave